One of the first things that I'm going to take off, and one of the last things you're going to take off, are the Wi-Fi antennas. They fold, but they only fold in one direction, but they will unscrew. All three of these are identical, so you want them to come straight out and then gently twist counterclockwise, and they unscrew. Now to get them back on, you just place them over the connectors, just gently finger tight screw them in, and then they fold over. Straight out, fold over. To open your case, there's a clear side panel. It has two thumb screws. There's two thumb screws on the bottom of the case that does not have the window. Do not take those two out. There's no reason to take those out unless you're going to have to rewire it someday. There's no need to do that today. So don't take those two thumb screws out. Take the two thumb screws that are on the side with the window. Then the side slides to the back and then comes right off. And then you're on the inside of your machine, and I'll give you a tour of that in a moment.